RDA. Heavy traffic up ahead, y'all. Heavy traffic up ahead. Almost 41. We are still south on Whitehall, crossing over RDA. 60 miles wrong lane. Travel again, back on the right side. Green state. It's 430 off 4 on feet. Very good. Scale to time. Okay, nice traffic up ahead.
41 team, Marietta Pitchman.
Hey, just crossed over lead. Still on Whitehall, you got heavy.
Switch to the other zone. Phoenix should be the only one talking on this radio.
Alright, we're still on lead. Ooh, 41 spinning out. He's
gonna be on lead. Just gain control. Regain control.
spinning out. He's gonna be right on lead. He just gained control. Regain control. Continuing on lead. The vehicle is slowing down. Still with it. Just stopping in the middle of the intersection. The vehicle has stopped. Gonna be at Lee and Oakland. Lee and Oakland, you got a driver running out. I'll stay with the driver.
Hey, coming up on your six. Coming up on your six. Hands. Don't you fucking move. Hands up. You're gonna crawl over this seat with your hands up. You understand me? Let's go. Crawl, motherfucker. Crawl now.
If you don't crawl, you'll get tased, bitch.
On the ground. Don't you move. Hands down.
Hey, you got him? I'm gonna go him.
Don't you move. I swear to God.
Hey, are you good?
Stand by.
I got a question.
Go.
I got a question.
But it's not question time. It's not talking time. Any guns in the car? Come over here. Scoot, I don't give a fuck what you gotta do. Let's go. Don't move. Face down. Don't move. Face down. Don't move. Stop moving. Yeah.
Black pants, black sneakers. Alright, he's gonna be giving.
Get out of there!
I got cuffs.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know.
No, you're not. You're good. Got him.
I'll tell you what the roll of short tag, Robert, 990.
Where at? Right here. No pants, it's right here. Right here. I got some scissors. Watch yourself. Stop moving them.
I'm putting him on
He's good.
This one.